Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or turn off flashlight on Apple Watch. So if you're in the dark and you have your Apple Watch with you, you can easily use your Apple Watch flashlight. And once you're done, you can also proceed to turn off the Apple Watch flashlight. So basically here, you're going to learn how you can easily enable or disable Apple Watch flashlight. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or turn off flashlight on Apple Watch, all you need to do is locate and click on the control center button once. Then this is going to open your Apple Watch control center. On the control center, you should see your flashlight, or swipe down the control center and then locate and click on the flashlight. If the flashlight is missing, come here, click on edit, and then you should see your flashlight under more. Then click on add and click on done. Now, once you've added the flashlight, now to turn on the flashlight on your Apple Watch, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the flashlight. Then you should see the flashlight like this. Then you can brighten the flashlight by using the digital crown. You see that? So just use the digital crown to brighten the flashlight. You can also change the flashlight mode. So this is flashing. You see that? Then you can also swipe it to change the flashlight from white to red. And then to turn off the flashlight, all you just need to do is just press the control center button. Then you should see the flashlight like this. Now go ahead and click on the flashlight to turn it off. Then you should see the flashlight turn off. So that is basically how to turn on or turn off flashlight on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.